Hello, it's Adam here again, welcoming you back to 30 Days to Better Hearing. Today we're going to discuss an important milestone in your journey with hearing aids, the upcoming follow-up appointment with your audiologist, which is normally scheduled for about a fortnight in. This appointment is a significant step towards optimizing your hearing experience. It's an opportunity for you to share your observations, challenges, and successes since you started wearing your hearing aids. The insights you provide will help your audiologist make any necessary adjustments to ensure your hearing aids are working as effectively as possible for you. During this time with your hearing aids, you've likely noticed various things: sounds you're hearing more clearly, situations where you feel the performance could be improved, and perhaps moments where the hearing aids felt uncomfortable. These observations are invaluable. Maybe you've noted them down in a sound journal. Your audiologist can use this information to fine-tune your hearing aids, making sure they're tailored to your specific needs and preferences. It's also a chance for you to ask questions and clarify any doubts you might have, whether it's about maintenance, the settings, or everyday use. No question is too small. Your audiologist is there to support you and ensure you're comfortable and confident with your hearing aids. Think about the different environments you've been in since getting your hearing aids. Now, we've spoken before about how this first period the hearing aids are more focused on comfort rather than benefit, but it is still worthwhile having a conversation about how they've performed in quiet settings. What about in noisy environments like in restaurants or family gatherings? Sharing these experiences can help your audiologist understand where adjustments might be needed. If you've encountered any discomfort, be it from physically wearing the hearing aids or challenges with certain sounds, it's crucial to mention these as well. Comfort is key to ensuring you're getting the most out of your hearing aids, and sometimes even small adjustments can make a significant difference. Remember, this appointment is a collaborative effort between you and your audiologist. Together, you'll work towards refining your hearing aid experience, ensuring that your devices are providing the best possible support for your hearing needs. I encourage you now to take some time to reflect on your experiences, jotting down any points you want to discuss. This preparation will make the appointment as productive as possible, paving the way for even greater success. See you again tomorrow for day 14.